Good morning everyone. This is your maths class. Students, this is the time of maths. So, take out your book and write down the date in quotation. What is the date today? 24 July 2020, or we can say 24.7.20. And the quotation is time is money. Open your page number 15 and write down the date in quotation. Student, today I am going to explain you subtraction sums. Problem of subtraction sums. So, join with me. Before starting the work, student, I am telling you some words. These words you have to remember in your mind. These words shows subtraction. Okay, in any problem sums you have find these words, it means you have to subtract. Okay, you have to subtract. These words are how many, more, take away, how many less, how many left, or greater or small. Okay, again I repeated this word. These words, how many more, take away, how many less, how many left, greater and smaller. If you find any word in your problem sums, these words shows these stories are based on subtraction. Okay, so let's start a first example. Abdul is 6-year-old. His father is 37 years old. How much older? Okay, how much older is his father? It means this story is based on subtraction. Okay, we do the subtract the digit. Here is Abdul. He is 6-year-old and his father is 37. What is the difference? We find out the difference between. When we find out the difference, it means we have to subtract one digit to another digit. Okay, bigger digit to the lower digit, smaller digit. So first we write tens and ones. See your digit 37. 37 means 3 tens and 7 ones. So we write 3 tens. 3 tens means we write 3 on tens column and 7 is ones column. And the second, Abdul's age is 6-year-old. 6 means only ones is there. So we write ones on ones column. Okay. Okay. Then we subtract 7 minus 6, 1, 3 minus no number is there, that is why we copy the 3 here. It means 31 years. What is the difference between Abdul and his father's age? 31 years. Okay. The next question is Vani. Vani made 30 paper boats. Vani, she is a girl. Vani, she made 30 papers boat. 10 boats sank. Okay. Sank means dipped into the water. Okay. So how many were left? So let's do the sum. First we write tens and ones. Okay. First we write tens and ones. How many tens? 3 tens. And how many ones? No ones there. We write 3 on tens place. We write 0 on ones place. And the other digit is 10. 10 means 1 10. We write 1 on tens digit. We write 0 on ones place. Then we subtract it. 0 minus 0, nothing will be left. 3 minus 1, 2. So, how many boats were left? 20 boats. The next question is, Hari coloring book has 64 pages. He has colored the drawing on 32 pages. How many pages are left? Student, here is Hari. He has a coloring book. His coloring book has total how many pages? 64. Let's see. 32 pages he has colored. Okay. How many pages are left? So we subtract 64 minus 32. Here we write tens and ones, okay? And 64 means 6 tens and 4 ones. We write 6 on tens place, 4 on ones place. Then 32 pages he has colored. The colored pages we write on tens place. 32 means 3 tens. We write 3 on tens place. 2 means 2. Only 2 is the 1. So we write 2 on ones place. Then we subtract 64 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Then how many pages are left? 32 pages are left. The next question, fourth question, there are 39 children in a class. Like imagine your class, 39 students in your class, 35 of them are going for picnic. 35 students were ready to go picnic. How many children are not going? So we subtract 39 children and 35. Okay, first we write 39, write tens and ones. 39, 3 on tens place, 9 on ones place. Then the 35 students, they are not going for picnic, they are going for picnic. So 9, we write 3 on tens place, 5 on ones place. Then we subtract it. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Only 4 children are not going for picnic, students. The fifth example is Jaya has 57 stickers. See, here are 2 friends. One is Jaya and the other one is Maya. They both have the stickers. Maya have 22 and Jaya has 57. How many more stickers? How many more stickers? More. How many more? Okay. So we write first Jaya's sticker. Tens ones, 5 tens, 7 ones, and Maya has 22. Then 7 minus 2, 5, and 5 minus 2, 3. The answer is 35 stickers. Jaya has more. How many more stickers? 35 more stickers does Jaya have. Okay. Mrs. Roy, she is Mrs. Roy. She needs 78 paper cups. How many paper cups she want? 78. She already has 43. How many more does she need to buy? Okay. How many more she need to buy? So we check out how many more. First we write tens ones, then we write 78, 7 on 10th place, 8 on ones place. Next 43, 3 at ones place, 4 at tens place. Then we put the sign of subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5, 7 minus 4, 3. Student, you know subtraction very well, na? Everyone know the subtraction? Okay. So how many stickers? How many